Hello, and today I'm going to be playing this game. It's really fun. Yeah. So this game, it's not boring. It's not fun. Oh, next level. Let's get it. Wow. He gonna die too. Come on. I'm trying to play my game. I'm not trying to listen to this. Thank God, finally. Thank God. Batman. Oh, I said I'm Batman. I'm Batman. Yeah. Nope. Dang it. So I have to go. Build up really high. Oh, I'm not doing this. This is easy, so. Not this. I'm not talking about this. I don't like this. I had played this game before. It's really hard. But I had only got one. Go. That is how you do it. Then, oh, shoot. Am I supposed to only do two? Okay, let me see. Hey, got it. Oh. That was insane. Hey, ooh, I'm gonna buy another bird hawk. I know how to do this, so you don't have to watch this again. Play all that. I have so much games. What was that game? Oh, okay. If you want to download this game, it's called Square Bird. It's really fun for me. I don't know if it's gonna be fun for you guys. And I had made a rap before you like it. Oh, yeah, did I? Okay. No, why? I'm trying to get a new bird. Got that. Wait, I can. What? Take my horse to the old time road. I'm going to ride to the end. I'm gonna take my horse old time road. I'm gonna see what I get no more. Got them horses in the back. That's diamonds on the back. Got them horses in the back. That's I don't know. 2, 1, boom. And I can do. Ooh, what's that? Dope. That looks so dope. Whoa! Oh my God, that was a snake. That was insane. Thank God you did that. One of these are gonna trick me. Ooh. No. Oh God. I'm a winner. So much money. Later. Now we're gonna play a different game that doesn't have. I don't know. Well, we don't have to watch videos. Roblox. I love Roblox. Roblox is the best ever. Sometimes I'll make grabs and I'm gonna upload 2 videos a day. But not early times. Sometimes when I have to upload after school, because I have school.